So hello friends, welcome to Bengology, and today we will learn how to read Bengali. So Bengali word reading. So today we will learn how to read a word in Bengali. Okay. After that we will do some vocabularies, and after vocabularies, after building a strong vocab, we will go to the grammar portion where we can make sentences. Okay. So today we will learn Bengali word reading. So you will try to recognize what the word sounds. Okay, I will show you the pronunciation, but you will try yourself. That's how you can do a better conversation. Okay, so I am writing first word. So what this word sounds like, you can see this word, what this word can sound. Try yourself. So you can see that this is more. What? More. This is more. And this is a vowel sign, which is more. More plus a vowel sign means ma. Ma. Mo a. Ma. Ma. So what does ma mean? Ma means mother in Bengali. So this means mother. Okay. If here is o plus a, so you will say o, and then you will expand the matras. Okay. You will expand the matras and then a vowel sound. This is o. Then you will expand the matras like this and a vowel sound. This is o a ka. Like that. Kha a kha, go a ga, gha a gha, na no a na, mo a ma, bo a ba, po a pa, ho a pa, bho a bha. Okay, it's like that. After that, we have another word. So what I am writing, you will note all of these on your notebook, just because you can remember by revising those notes. Okay, so this is ma. After that we have this. What is this? If you don't understand how to pronounce it, you can split by what? This is bo, this is bo. Okay, bo. After that we have a vowel sign means ba. Then we have bo, bab, bo, a, bo, bab. Then we have a vowel sign a, bab, ba, 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 ba. Okay, baba. So bo plus a vowel sign. Then we have bo plus a vowel sign, which is baba. So ba, ba. Okay. So this means father in English. Father. So after baba, we have bhai means brother. So how can we write bhai? Try to write bhai. Please try with me to write bhai. That's how you can improve. That's not because of me that I am writing these letters and you can learn all of these things. You have to practice. You have to practice them. I am the teacher who is teaching you how to use this vowel and consonants to form a word. Okay. I am teaching you how to read those words. But if I only do these things, you will not be benefited. So you have to practice with me. So how can we write bhai means brother? So The surroundings are not visible. That's okay. Now it is okay. So we have father. Uh, that's okay. We have father. Then bhai. You can notice that it is bho. First we have to write bho. Bho. To write bhai, we have bho a. Bha. Bho a. So how can we write a? We have the vowel sign because this is after the consonant, not before the consonant. Okay. So we have a. If the a consonant will be present at the before of the consonant, so this will be a bha. Okay. So here we are using vowel sign because of this is before the consonant. This vowel is before the consonant. That's why we are not using vowel. Instead we are using vowel sign. So bha a bha, and then e. Okay. So here you have to notice one thing that I haven't told you, that we can't use vowel signs step by step. What does it mean? That if we use this vowel sign, a vowel sign, after vowel consonant, if we use a vowel sign after vowel consonant, we can't use any vowel sign after a vowel sign. Okay. We have to use the consonant, then we can use a vowel sign, like bha a untosto a. This sounds like bhaya. So you can notice that there is a consonant, then we have a vowel sign, then we are not putting the vowel sign. We are putting a consonant, then we have put the vowel sign. Okay. So you have to remember that two vowel signs can't take place together. Okay. There must have a consonant between these two vowel signs. Okay. So if I write here bhai, to write bhai, bha a, then e vowel sign. E means e. So this was wrong. Why? Because there has two vowel signs together sequentially, but we don't want the sequence. We want one consonant, one vowel sign, then we can't use any vowel sign. We have to use a consonant, then we can use the vowel sign. Okay. So this is bha, and we have used e vowel, not e vowel sign. We have used e vowel, not vowel sign. Okay. So bhai. Bhai, you can split it like bha plus a plus e, which means brother. Which means brother. Bhai. So I am erasing all of those. You can note these words. So after that, we are moving towards some complex things. Okay. Today is part 1, and today we'll also cover part 2. So we'll have better understand how to read those words in Bengali. So if anyone gives you any Bengali word, you can read it easily without any tension. Okay. So we are moving towards complex words. These words, two-letter complex words, two-letter words, and we are now reading three-letter. So what is this? A, First, try yourself how to read this. This is a, then more. Okay, you can split it if you have any doubts. Then more. Then you can see that this is a vowel sign. So a vowel sign, then raw. Now you can pronounce it a, more, ma, then raw, a, ma, raw, a, ma. Okay, a, mo, a, ma, raw, a, ma, a, ma. Amar means my. So amar means my. So how can we write Amar means my? So my brother means Amar bhai. You know now that there's a mistake. So you know now that brother means bhai. So and you know now that my means Amar. Amar. So how can we write? How can we write my brother? So my means Amar. Brother means bhai. Amar bhai. So how can we write? First we will write a. Okay. Then mo a ma. Mo a ma. Then ro Amar. Then we will use space like in English, my brother. Okay, so bha a bha, bha a bha. Then e, for e we don't use vowel sign because we have already a vowel sign. So we will use this vowel, not vowel sign. Okay, so bhai, amar bhai means my brother. Like that we can say Amar ma for my mother. My means Amar. My means Amar, and we have previously discussed. Then mother means ma. So my mother. How can we write Amar ma? So a ma ra Amar mo a ma. Okay, so hope you have understood all of this. After that we will go to the more complex word, 4-letter word. So note it down. After that we will go to the 4-letter word. So first this is, so I am saying you that I will write charcoal. You have heard about coal. So this is charcoal, charcoal face wash. If you are Indian, you can notice charcoal face wash, or if you are foreigner, you have heard that charcoal face wash. So charcoal. How can we write charcoal? First we have to write cho, cha. So cho a cha. So cho plus a cha. Then raw, char, raw, char. So cho a plus raw, char. Then we have to write coal, ko. So ko, and then o vowel sign. This is ko. This is ko, and then the o vowel sign. O vowel sign, ko. Charcoal. Then we have to write law, charcoal, coal. So law. And for splitting you can split like this. Chaw. You can split like this. Chaw plus a cha plus raw plus o plus o plus law, charcoal. So today this part is till here. and tomorrow we will learn part 2. And if there are any queries, you can comment us. And I hope that after the part 2 you can read any Bengali word. Okay, so this is charcoal. The last thing I am introducing you is the double consonant thing, which is o, mo, go. We have learned that this is conjunct letter umogo. So o, umogo, ongo, ongo. So this means body. What does it mean, body? So we can split it like this: o plus umogo. Okay. So we have learned Bengali word readings today, and tomorrow we will learn, not tomorrow, today we will learn the part 2, and after that you can read all Bengali words. But if you have any queries that I can't read any Bengali word, please mention in the comments, and I will try to give you the pronunciation. Okay.